morning guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. As you can see, today we're starting off the morning at a gas station at Chevron. Just filled up some gas because today is the day we're picking up my Whippled Mustang. But before we do that, I had to stop over at the powder coating shop and pick up the lid, which I got powder coated. And I'm excited to show you what color that is and how that all came out. And then we got to drop that off to Voodoo so they can finish off the install and hopefully pick up the car a little later on. But I'm super excited to present you all this awesome content because I know there's a lot of you guys that are really excited like me. So thank you all for your support and love on the videos. We're just getting started. So let's go ahead and head out. I have my boy Drod with me in the car. He's gonna be driving side boot back once we pick up the Mustang. So say what's up, Drod.
Come on, boys.
So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and head over right now to the powder coating shop and grab that powder coated top lid of the Whipple. Here we go. Alrighty guys, here we are, paid polish, about to pick up this lid for the blower. Man, I'm pretty excited to see how it all came out. Here she is, all done. Sweet. Looks good? The badges look fire, dude. That gloss black, fire. And I made them put, like, I wanted to get rid of the, you know, the roughness that it had. So I think we got rid of it because they put a lot of coats. Alright, it came out. It's fire as hell. What you think? Came out so good?
It looks good. It looks really good.
It looks really good. The yellow just pops perfect with the gloss black. Stoked. I'm stoked. So anyways, we're heading over to the shop now. Got to drop it off and hopefully pick up the car in a couple hours. Here we go. And just like that, we made it over to Voodoo. We are back and ready to go. How's it going? Alright guys, here's the car. Today's the day, man. What's going on?
Sorry, running around in some circles.
It's all good. I got you the, picked it up right now.
Okay.
There's the name plate. We'll put them on here. Alright, Drod bringing on the big boy. Oh my goodness, it's on there.
Been on hibernation.
It's on there, dude. Look at that.
Hey, get yourself a waffle maker now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
The throttle body, all big.
132 millimeters.
I'm stoked. Yeah, the guy's like, no, I checked on Whipple and I talked to them and it's not carb legal. And I'm like, dude, no, it's carb legal, bro.
The competition one isn't?
Yeah, if you get the tuner kit, right?
Yeah, it gets the tuner kit. Then, that's for like the drag racers, everybody just like going racing hardcore.
But this is calibrated and everything with the tune.
It's full cal legal.
Okay, so for all of you guys that don't think it's carb legal, here we go.
Here's your maintenance. Here's your cal legal carb EO numbers right there. And your 91 octane fuel.
Yep, so we're good to go. If any cops are watching this, and carb
Cal
legal.
legal.
And what tune do I have in there?
Oh, it's all Whipple.
Whipple too. I didn't touch
Whipple.
anything. Yep. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and let them do their thing, wrap this up, and probably be here by end of day to do the first start up and
do some rips.
do some rips. I don't know if I'm gonna rip it, man. I'm kind of
You got
scared.
some nice wet weather out there too,
Right?
man. Slipping, sliding.
Go full Mustang on the first day.
Oh gosh, man, let's not.
Start surfing real quick.
Crowd control.
Crowd control. guys, we are back. As you can see, it got late. It was like a full day at work with these guys, man. They've been busy all day wrapping this up, and it's currently like 6 o'clock almost, and we're finally pulling up because the car is ready to go. Oh man, here we are. Let's see, there she is, man. She's on the ground. Woo. All right, how are we looking?
Looking good, man.
Yeah? She's ready to rock and roll?
Sure is.
Hell yeah. How you doing? How are you?
Hope you're ready for it.
I'm ready for it, man. I've been anxiously waiting for it. Oh, here we go. All right.
The money shot.
You guys ready? I'm so nervous. Go for it. Woo! Shit, that looks so good, bro. Oh my god.
A little different, huh?
Oh my god, that yellow just, woo! That's beautiful.
Yeah, it came out really good, man. That was a good choice.
That is beautiful. Let me get a side shot with the calipers and everything.
Oh, feel good, man.
Literally, and it matches really well.
Yeah.
So since we had the car in here anyways, I went ahead and told them to go ahead and switch out the oil, so we did.
The AMSOIL 550 with the AMSOIL oil filter.
Yeah, so that's the best oil in the game for this type of stuff. So
For the Mustang, that's where it's at right now, man.
cool. You mind starting it up?
Yeah, we'll fire up right now, man.
Yeah, let's do it. Yo, did you hear that pop? Oh my god. That looks beautiful. Look at that fully spinning, baby. Oh man. Now the exhaust is gonna sound a little different, huh? Yeah? Do you wanna give it a couple revs? Oh my god. Oh, does it whine a little bit? Okay, cool. Oh yeah, you hear it. Oh my god. Oh my god, dreams come true, boys and girls, dreams. She is screaming.
Ready for it, man.
Okay. Oh, she sounds so like strong. Just sounds like a monster.
It's gonna be a beast.
Oh man. I'm lost for words, dude. I'm literally lost for words.
Coming for 6.2.
I literally did not think this was gonna happen this soon. Like,
Yeah.
it's crazy how like just everything happened in just the span of I haven't even had the car for a year.
I say, not even a year, right?
I bought it in March and look where we're at now.
Man, making moves.
Wow. Yeah, I literally
It's quick.
Yeah, like it's a quick jump, dude. I went from like NA, what's it called, like stock, to like an NA with like the London 85.
Yeah.
Had that for what, like 4, 5, 6 months, something like that.
Is that how long you've been running it on the 85?
Yeah.
Wow.
And now we're here.
Alright. Moving up, man.
Oh man. Maybe in a couple months I'll be back. I'll be building a motor or something. Who knows?
Who knows what's next?
Like and subscribe, boys and girls. All right, guys. She's getting badged in to the club. Tagged up. Guys in Voodoo said if you guys get a Voodoo tattoo, you get sponsorship for life, right?
Oh, 15% off all latest parts.
No, I'm just kidding. I made that up. Don't hit him up about that. Somebody comes up with a tattoo.
What they said. Whoa, man.
So I've been getting a ton of comments ever since I announced I'm doing the Whipple. Everyone's asking, hey Rush, are you gonna do the oil pump gears? I haven't done them yet. We are running the Whipple twin at the moment. I don't plan to drive hard or race the car or anything right now. I'm gonna take the car home, drive it for a little bit, kind of get used to it. And then when the car is back in the shop, this is what's gonna go down. So you wanna go ahead and explain?
So we got the MMR billet oil pump gears. It's gonna solve all the problems for those guys. It's really nice stuff. And then also the billet timing sprocket. So a lot of people don't realize these also crack.
Yeah.
So they'll split right down, and then your whole engine will just come to a seizing stop. And
Okay.
you'll be like, what the heck just happened? Think you blew it up? Well, I've seen a couple people break these, and this is the solution right here.
Gotcha.
So you do them hand in hand, done. No problem.
Kind of the added security.
Yep.
But if you're not driving the car hard, I should be okay until...
Yeah, basically,
You know, like-
don't bounce it off the red line and don't two-step it.
Okay.
You're fine.
Yeah.
That's
I don't
what
do
breaks these.
either of those, thankfully, but I still want the added security, so I think, you know, once we start... kind of moving
This
up
would be
in power-
great for in the future. Whatever
Yeah.
mods you do later on, you may put a two-step on, and you could throw a max flame out the back, and you'll be perfectly fine.
with that.
Yep.
Cool. So that's part of the next phase of the build. So right now we're just gonna kind of get acquainted with the car a little bit, and then once he's back in here, this is what we got to do. Because these from the factory, they're very weak, right?
Very weak. They're
Yeah.
cast apart, and they crack in multiple areas.
Gotcha.
So they do drop testing, 10 feet. They hit the ground, they just
Shatter,
apart.
kind of.
Yep.
Gotcha.
So
Okay, well, I hope that answers some of your guys' questions, because I've seen that a lot in the comments lately. A lot of people are asking about the oil pump gears, and that's really just the reason I'm just holding off right now, because I didn't want the car to be down for too long. But once it's back in here for some more work, we'll definitely take that on. She's coming out, boys. I'm letting them do the honors of getting her out of here, because it's really hard to maneuver around this place. Boosted 5.0. All right, here are my two babies side by side. Cute SRT and side boo. Everything's good? Oh. I'll go ahead and head out. Thanks a lot.
thank you, man.
We'll
Stay
see
safe.
you guys.
Enjoy.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, time to head into the weekend. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end out this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now it's time for me to do my first drive. I'm gonna strap the GoPro on and see what this Whippled life is all about. Kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. My heart's beating pretty quick, because this is just, it's a big deal, man. It's a big deal because I worked so hard to get to this point, and just being here feels so good. And I have you guys to thank for that, so thank you so much for rocking with me and making this dream come true. I really can't thank you guys enough, man. I'm super blessed, and I'm super excited for this year and what it has to offer. So here we go. Oh my God. Holy hell. This thing doesn't make sense, man. This thing doesn't make sense.